Hello everyone. In this video, we share the story of Antoni van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman and scientist and the very first person in the world to see microorganisms. Born in 1632 as the son of a basket maker, Van Leeuwenhoek lost his father at the age of 5 and began his career at a fabric workshop at 16. His favorite passion soon became working with microscopes. But imagine, how could someone recognize what a microbe was when no one had ever seen one before? In 1683, Van Leeuwenhoek drew the first image of bacteria. After 1690, he was invited to the Royal Society of London and later to the French Academy of Sciences. He was the very first name on the list of Dutch scientists. Though he didn't invent the microscope, Van Leeuwenhoek made it indispensable. Using lenses he crafted himself, he became the first human to see bacteria and single-celled organisms, which he lovingly called animalcules, meaning little animals. Over his lifetime, he built more than 550 lenses, each for a different study. He also observed blood cells, watched them flow through capillaries, and discovered that muscles are made of fibers. He explored nutrition, plant structure, and even created three-dimensional drawings of roots, stems, and leaves, making him the first scientist to reveal plant anatomy in such detail. Van Leeuwenhoek passed away at the age of 90 on August 26, 1723 in Delft, the Netherlands. Today, the Antoni van Leeuwenhoek Hospital in Amsterdam bears his name, specializing in oncology. In a 2004 survey, he was ranked as the 4th most important Dutch person of all time. His story reminds us of the difference between merely looking and truly seeing. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay inspired.